So at this point, you probably already took a timed 200 question practice exam and you're ready to develop a study plan. The study plan will have two different parts: an overview of what topics you're going to study each week, and then a detailed plan of when you're going to study what topic each week. So an overview of the plan is here, and you are going to base the study plan on the PDFs available through the nbcotexamprep.aota.org website. And if you click Testing Help, it's a red tab on the right-hand side of the upper screen. You're going to see 17 different PDFs laid out. You're going to click on the ones that are for OTA, and you're going to divide those topics among 6 weeks of studying. So that averages out to about 3 PDFs a week. And based on your practice exam, you can decide how you want to divide up some of the more challenging topics and some of the easier topics for you. So you can spread those out, keep them together, whatever you feel is most effective for you. The important thing is that we're studying 3 to 4 hours a day for a total of 21 to 24 hours a week. So each topic should be covered at least 7 hours. This is important because this is statistically what's shown to be effective in studying for the NBCOT exam. People who study 3 to 4 hours a day for about 6 to 7 weeks are more likely to pass the exam than others that have not. So, as I said, this is the first part, an overview. So this gives us a snapshot of when you're studying when. So weeks 1 through 6, you're going to divide out the 17 PDFs. Week 7, you're going to review all of the PDFs. The next part of the study plan goes into a little bit more detail. So let's just hypothesize that you picked pediatrics, mental health in pediatrics, mental health in adults as your first 3 topics. Each day, you're going to decide what topic you're going to study and at what time you're going to study it. So this is accountability for yourself, and you're communicating that accountability to someone helping you with the exam after you're finished with fieldwork. We have an NBCOT prep coaching program, and a coach will be available for you to help you through this study process. So it's really important that we understand what you're studying when and when you're studying it. This way we get to see if studying in the morning is more effective for you than studying in the evening, or certain strategies that you're using, those kind of things. So we understand how to most efficiently use your time. So each week, like we talked about, the topic is going to be covered about 7 hours. So for example, I'm studying pediatrics on Sunday and Wednesday, and then I'm taking practice questions for pediatrics on Saturday. If you feel like you need to study more than 3 hours a day, feel free to add a column here, or 2 columns if you need to. But it's important that each topic is covered for at least 7 hours, and that you have built-in practice questions for pediatrics. So you are going to, at the end of each study week, you are going to schedule time to take a practice test on each topic. You're going to create a 25-question practice exam. You don't have to do this now as part of the study plan. This will be in the future. But we need to build in the time to take those exams. Okay? So then you'll do that for week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, and week 6, and that will have covered all 17 PDF topics. Week 7, we're going to go over each topic for about an hour. And then the final day of studying for week 7, you're going to take another 200-question full practice exam, just like you did to prepare for preparing this study guide. And then you're obviously going to rock that practice exam, and then you're going to take the exam the next week in real life and make it count. If you have any questions about the study plan, please let us know.